Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So there is one glitch in Instagram. So there is one settings. This settings you can see when you off this, people should not see the things you are liking in a friends of a reels tab in this tab. So they should not see whatever you are liking and you are commenting, but this is not working for many users. Even they have turned this off, people are able to see what you are liking, where you are commenting on this. So I will show you one example in my mobile screen. So let me know even if you are facing this problem in your Instagram account. So here you can see this is my account, High Tech Talk, and if I will click on three line here and scroll down, and if I will go and check my activity in friends tab, it is no one. Okay, but I will show you in my mobile screen from the another account. In that I am able to see the comment. I am doing it from this account. Even when I was watching reel from my another account, I was able to see the comment. Even it was turned off, you have seen, right?